Welcome. In today's video we are going to take a look on what do you need to connect in the integration to start using Samba. Primarily, there are four basic settings: data integration, customer tracking, DNS records, and connecting Google Analytics. Let's start with data integration. The instance is already pre-selected from your registration, but you can change it at any time if needed. As for the single data feeds, there are four data feeds in Samba that need to be set up: products, category, orders, and customers. The URL links of your feeds must be set as public or must contain access to data, as you can see here. Data load is always running once per day. Another setting is tracking customers on your site. Samba needs to implement its measurement code into your eShop pages. This code can be found directly in Samba, from where you can also copy it. You can deploy the code directly into your site template, for example in the header, or use Google Tag Manager to easily manage all the measurement codes and advertisement scripts on your website. But be aware, Google Tag Manager containers are currently blocked by the uBlock extension for Firefox and also by Block Trackers option in Opera. We therefore recommend that you deploy our scripts directly without using GTM. You can check the deployment of our measurement code by searching for div analytics in the console of your website. Samba scripts can be found in the network, XHR, and filtered by name Save Action. Here you can check if all the tracking methods were deployed successfully. Now let's take a look at DNS record settings. DNS records are used to verify your domain and thus increase the deliverability of your emails. They are usually set by your domain hosting provider. Until you have the correct DNS records set up for your domain, newsletters cannot be sent from it. Until then, you can at least send test emails under our domain. Samba requires SPF, DKIM, and MX records settings as anti-spam protection. All these records must be set in TXT format. If you already have an SPF record, Samba will show you its current value. You need to create a new one with the values you see in Samba. As for the DKIM record, create a new record with the values you see in Samba. If you already have a different value set for the DKIM selector, contact our support to request a change. If you don't already have an MX record set up for your sending domain, you will need to set up one because this record specifies which server should receive the reply to an email sent from a given address. This should be checked especially if you are using a sending subdomain. The last setting is the integration with Google Analytics. In order to track the performance of individual campaigns in terms of conversion rate and generated sales, you need to connect your Google Analytics with Samba. After you have set up your view ID in Samba for the first time, click on the Save Configuration button to get your specific Samba email address. In Google Analytics, add access to this address and assign analytic rights to it. Finally, check the correct settings using the check or refresh button. If you have set everything up correctly, the HUD in the integration will be green. Congratulations! Now you know everything important to successfully integrate your shop with Samba. If you need anything, you can contact our team through chat or visit our documentation. See you in the next video.